What's up, y'all? So I am under the car doing another project. Today's project is installing the shifter and the shifter cable and the linkage and all that stuff. So I have everything kind of temporarily kind of mocked up. I have to get some spacers here for this particular bracket there, because the shifter came with actually everything. It just didn't come with those spacers. I actually got it off Facebook Marketplace for I think under 200 bucks. So, and it came with pretty much everything. So I either got to get some spacers or I can put some washers in between there. So but yeah, it took me a while to kind of figure it out. But this little linkage part here was bent, and it was actually bent like right here and then bent up here. And so I didn't know why it wasn't able to kind of shift through all the gears. I kind of just figured it came like that. But then after battling with it and after a while, and I couldn't actually get it into the last gear, and it just didn't feel right. So I took a look at it again. I was like, I don't think that's supposed to be bent. And I actually have my B&M shifter box and manual left over from my B&M shifter that I use for my Regal. As you guys know, this is a TCI unit if you didn't know, but similar. So I looked at it and saw that the selector or that little bracket is supposed to be straight. So I actually took it to the hammer, the dead blow, and just pounded it straight into the ground and made it flat. And then lo and behold, everything worked great. So I'm going to get in the car here and I'm going to kind of show you it going through the gears and show you how smooth it is. So hold on, let me stand up real quick. All right, so right now I have it all the way down. It's in park. So I'm going to take it out of park right now. That should be reverse. I think that's neutral. I think that's drive. Then we got this, and then we're all the way down. I can't really see the selector, so I'm just kind of going off of memory here and feel. But right now it's all the way back, so it's in the last gear. So I'm going to bump it up. One gear. Another gear. Another gear. So that should be drive. Or neutral. Let's see. That actually might be reverse. And then all the way to park. So anyways, it goes through all the gears real smooth. And that's that. So let me flip this camera around so you guys can kind of see me doing it from the inside. All right, y'all, so here we go. So this is where I installed the cable right here. It actually came with this grommet, and it's actually really nice. It has 3 little tabs underneath, and it has a hook. So I went ahead and drilled a hole. I think it was about 7/8 inch wide, and then the grommets, or the hooks, actually grab onto the sheet metal, hooks on underneath, and then that way it won't pop up. So it's kind of nice to have that there. So I was able to put that there and run it straight, so smooth, so it doesn't get all kinked up. And it took me a while to kind of get the measurements and the correct, length and all that, have it set up right. But I got it done, and it's in there, and it's working good. So right now it's in park. That should be neutral, or that should be reverse. Hold on. Park, reverse, neutral should be drive, and then I can't bump it back. That should be, wait, that should be overdrive, then drive, then one back down. Okay, so all in all, I should get basically 5 clicks out of this thing. So 1, if I can listen to the transmission, another click, 2, 3, 4, and all the way down 5. So yeah, so that's that. And then the cool thing about this thing here is when you get it into drive and knock it back into neutral, or try to get it into neutral, it won't let you bump it into reverse. So like if you accidentally like hit it while you're driving or something like that, it's just a safety mechanism. So it has this little lock there, so you got to just bump it up, and now you can put it in reverse and then back into drive. So yeah, y'all, that's it. So got another project done about 30 minutes before I have to get ready to go to work, of course. But it's all done, y'all. So that's in there and we good to go. So I'm happy about that. And shoot, it's gonna keep knocking small projects off and just kind of keep it rolling. So anyways, y'all, I just wanted to kind of show you what was up. Got that installed and everything is coming together. So anyways, you guys know what to do. Get in the comment section, let me know what you guys think about the shifter and my install and all that, and what you guys think. You know, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, y'all, and we'll holla. Deuces. Peace out.